Hi, it's Heidi with Nest Pretty. Nest Pretty is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. And welcome to this episode of Walking in Circles. Walking in Circles is about the small choices that you make every day that add up to reaching your goals. If you want to train for a marathon, you do it 1/4 mile at a time, and hence, therefore, walking in circles. So, here's the thing about goals, making decisions, and if you possibly can make them non-negotiable, and here's why. When you make a goal or the steps toward the goal non-negotiable, it takes away all the mental chatter, because the thing about it is even when you make a decision to reach toward a goal, you're not going to want to feel like it. You're not going to want to do it. You're not going to want to do it. So this morning, Judah and I walked in circles this morning, and that's why I'm doing it late. But I said to myself, I'll do walking in circles right after work. And guess what? I didn't feel like doing it at all. So it boils down to the fact that, do I have my own back? Do I live up to the promises I make to myself? Do I respect my, commitments, the commitments I make to myself. So making it non-negotiable takes away all the mental chatter, and you just do it, whether you feel like it or not, which is a very grown-up thing to do. But if you can view it as a form of self-care, self-love, self-respect, then that's a whole nother level, and it's a really good thing to practice, because then you know when you make promises to yourself that you always keep them, which is very Nest Pretty. So that's what I wanted to share with you. If you can make your steps toward your goals non-negotiable, then that's just going to put you closer to reaching your goals, minus the mind drama. Let's see, what else? So this week is a Black Friday week, which is super exciting. I love to get the deals minus the drama, minus the pressure. And so I love that Young Living started Black Friday today instead of waiting for Friday, because that means, just relax, just chill. No need to go cray. A wonderful thing is Young Living has made it easier than ever to get started and to get the 24% off, the discount. One way is to order $100 worth. The other way is to add one item to subscribe to save. That could be something as small as a lip balm, or it could be something as essential as a bottle of Thieves, which is a pretty good thing to have on subscribe to save. That automatically gives you 24% off, which is amazing. And what a great time to get started, like this week when everything is on sale. Not everything, but many of my favorite essential oils are 30% off. So what's going to go in my cart? Lavender, Thieves, cedarwood, grapefruit. I saw they have lime as well. Rutavala and Valor, peace and calming, peppermint. all the things, because we're just about out of everything. So if you want to get started, there's a link in my bio, which is an easy way to just click and go. If you want to have a conversation about it, I'm available. Also a link in the bio. I'm curious what things you have made non-negotiable and what you think about it. Does it reduce, eliminate the mind drama, and push you closer to your goals? So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I hope that you have a very successful week, reaching your goals one quarter mile at a time, one circle at a time. Have a great night.